Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is: Yvonne ate 2/6 of a pizza and Courtney ate 1/7 of the other pizza. If both the pizzas were of the same size, find the person who ate more pizza. Let Yvonne ate as X size pizza. Okay, and Courtney as Y size pizza. Okay, now from given, both the pizzas were of the same size, so X equals to Y. This is from given. Now Yvonne ate 2/6 of X, that is 1/3 of X. Okay, and Courtney ate 1/7 of Y means X, that is 1/7 of X. Now to compare in between this, let us make the denominator same. First means 1/3 of X, multiply this by 7 and multiply 1/7 by 3 by 3. So it is 7 by 21 of X and 3 by 21 of X. Now as numerator 7 is greater than the numerator 21, so 7 by 21 is greater than 3 by 21. It means Yvonne ate more pizza.